Hey guys, yesterday I had made a video talking about this tweet that Treyarch had posted saying that Jason Blundell was meeting up with a few of his zombie friends. Then it shows this picture of him surrounded by all these zombies. They didn't explain what this picture was, and they had a really good reason for that, and I'll explain all of that in just a moment. When I had seen this tweet, I thought that this was connected to an event that they're going to be at tomorrow. It's the Fan Expo in Canada. They're going to be teaming up with EB Games Canada. They are taking over their stage, and they're going to be doing face painting for the public. I think they're going to be painting them like zombies. They're also doing photo ops with zombies. They're doing a signing with some of the developers, and they're also going to be touring the city with a bunch of people dressed up like zombies. The zombies are going to load up in these streetcars in Toronto and go around the city and stop at popular locations. And when they stop, they're going to do giveaways, and I think they're going to end up at one of the EB stores. Now, I have a couple of people that I know that are going to this event, and they're going to be taking tons of pictures and hopefully video. They're going to be sending it to me. I will be retweeting what they post. So if you guys want to check out my Twitter, hopefully it'll be full with all kinds of information about what's going on here. So knowing about this event and knowing that they were gonna have people dressed up like zombies, that's what I thought this picture was for, but it's not. It's something completely different. These zombies were for a really exclusive event that just happened, and that's the reason why they didn't say what it was when they made the post with the picture. I've got video footage and pictures from this event showing you guys what those zombies were doing and what Treyarch was doing at this event. They showed a new and exclusive trailer to this audience, and hopefully we're about to see it too. This exclusive event was a GameStop Managers GME conference. It was held in Indianapolis and it just ended yesterday. Jason Blundell and Vandahar were both there, and they did a pretty big presentation for Black Ops 4. Now, this footage is exclusive to GameStop Managers, and the way that I was able to acquire it is that I have a really good buddy. He's one of my friends named Andrew, and his Twitch is ohandy97, and that's also his Instagram. I'll have all of his information down in the description, but huge shout out to him for sending me this information. He knows a guy that knows a guy, so I really appreciate being able to show you guys this stuff. Here's a shot of the stage where they did the presentation, and there was over 4,000 managers across the country from GameStop that attended. Again, Jason Blundell and Vandahar were both there, and here's a shot of Vandahar during the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 multiplayer and blackout presentation. After he spoke about the game and its features, he spoke about some special merchandise that Black Ops 4 is going to have with GameStop, and also some in-game items. They showed stuff like this pre-order bonus weapon, and this is stuff we've already seen. They did show some new merchandise that we haven't seen yet for Black Ops 4 that GameStop is going to have. He was sitting kind of close when he took this picture, so I've kind of straightened it out here so we can see these items. Here's some of the McFarlane figures that have been announced, and an exclusive calling card. There's a couple of brand new shirts up at the top and hoodies that we've not seen, and some underwear. In the middle section it shows a fig pin figurine, and this is just like a flat piece of plastic. They do have that in their store, and the Monopoly is ready for pre-order, so that's being shown. To the right of that are a couple of hats. Now, we've seen the dark gray hat, but we've not seen that lighter gray hat. That's a new design. I do not know what that is to the right of those hats. Maybe you guys do. On the bottom there's a lighter colored camo backpack, and there's a few different images for it. It's just showing it turned and then to the front, and then the square is just the pattern that it is. To the right of that is a wallet, and it's showing the front and the back and the different sides of the wallet. Then finally there's two keychains and two different lanyards with badge holders, and I think one of those is available, the one on the left, but the one on the right, I don't think that's been released yet. Here's a screen of some of the zombie merchandise, and again, he was at a really extreme angle and only got part of the screen, but you can see a deck of playing cards, the new Zombies Risk game, and then some more McFarlane figures. That deck of cards up on the left is brand new, and it's not a regular deck of playing cards. It's actually a game called Free For All Card Game. Now, tomorrow with this Fan Expo in Canada, they're going to be touring the city with zombies, and when they stop at certain locations, they're going to do giveaways. And they also said that they're going to be giving away some special Black Ops 4 playing cards. So my guess is that that's what they're actually going to be giving away, is that deck of cards, the Free For All card game. Another thing they showed is a new set of control freaks, and you can see the ones on the left. Now, those they've shown, I have not seen these new ones right here, and it's really hard to tell what that symbol is on them. So after all of this part of the presentation, they moved over to zombies, and that's where Jason stepped in and where all these zombies started showing up. The zombie presentation started out with these yellow beams of light and all these zombie eyes on that screen, and then all these zombies started running down the aisle. They were doing barrel rolls and stuff like that, and you can hear the zombie screams playing in the background. So definitely made an entrance and was pretty dramatic. I'll let you guys listen to some of it. Along with these zombies running in and the zombie noises, you could hear a song playing, and I'll talk more about that in just a moment. After these zombies entered, Jason Blundell came in and he did his presentation, and he spoke a lot about how the new Black Ops 4 Zombies is gonna work. And during this presentation, he showed the audience a brand new trailer that we haven't seen yet, and it was a montage of all the 4 maps. So Blood of the Dead, Titanic, 9, and also Classified. And the song that was playing during this montage was the brand new Avenged Sevenfold song that was specially written for Black Ops 4 Zombies. This exclusive song for Black Ops 4 Zombies was announced by Avenged Sevenfold back in May. They said we were going to hear it in July, and we never did. And just a couple of weeks ago, they put out a video talking about their tour, and at the end, there was 17 seconds that you could hear of this new song. So they finally revealed it, but they revealed it to an exclusive audience, which was the GameStop managers. Which kind of makes sense, because for the release of Black Ops 2, they also went to a GameStop managers convention, and they brought Avenged Sevenfold with them, and they actually performed on stage for the audience. It was some surprise concert, which would have been incredibly cool to see. Now going back to the part of the presentation where the zombies come running in, you hear zombies screaming and a rock song playing. I'm wondering if that is part of the new Avenged Sevenfold song. So there is a brand new trailer out there that has been shown to some people. We haven't seen it yet, but I feel like it's coming any day now. There is a montage that does exist, and we've already seen it. It's on Call of Duty's YouTube. It's the Chaos story that only shows 9 and Titanic. And the song playing in that trailer is I Put a Spell on You. So definitely not Avenged Sevenfold. This new trailer that they showed at this convention has all 4 maps, and it mostly focuses on Blood of the Dead, Titanic, and 9 with snippets of the Classified map. Now the question is, will we see this trailer that they showed at GameStop? And if so, when? They're doing a lot of stuff for zombies right now, this GameStop convention and then the Fan Expo, so I feel like any day now they're gonna drop this on us. But I will definitely keep you guys updated, and tomorrow, if you want to check out my Twitter, I will be tweeting out footage and pictures from this Fan Expo tomorrow where these zombies are supposed to be running around Toronto, Canada. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.